Hey everyone! Right from planting seeds to food into our mouth, there is an every possibility that things can go wrong. In the way we grow, the way we procure, the way we store, the way we cook, and the way we eat. From excessive nuts causing kidney failures to tender coconut turning poisonous, we came across some of the most incredible and shocking facts, rather mistakes, on some of the most common food we consume in our daily life. Experts say that some of these wrong practices are carcinogenic, some cause acidic issues and indigestion, some create kidney stones and liver failures, some cause chronic illness like diabetes, hypertension, etc. While we are not the medical experts to discuss the issues in detail, here is our attempt to capture our common learning on this title. When does a healthy food turn unhealthy? Stay tuned until the end to understand in entirety so that we can try to avoid these mistakes as much as possible when we handle it the next time. Let's get started. Number 1. Non-seasonal or unusual produce using GMO seeds, that is genetically modified organisms. For example, we are happy to embrace and consume a summer produce when artificially produced in winter, or a different featured produce offering variety. Number 2. Non-organic produce. All organic labels may not be 100% genuine. We need to do our homework before embracing a particular source. With respect to milk as well, the debate between A1 and A2 milk may be inconclusive and divided by some. But it's clearly proven by all that it's unhealthier to get any milk from cows fed with antibiotics and hormonal injections. We need to be careful with even local nearby vendors who claim to supply organic milk. Number 3. Artificial ripening of fruits with chemicals. Of course, we know that mango ripened with carbide is quite notorious for it. Number 4. Type of vessels like aluminum non-sticks leach chemicals into food. Number 5. Way of cooking like pressure cooking or boiling veggies in water destroys the most part of the vital nutrients. Using microwave to cook or reheat is carcinogenic too. Number 6. Lifespan of food. An unfresh food or the one from refrigerator, say more than 4 hours or so from cooking, builds up bacteria and destroys nutrition. Especially when we eat from fridge, we need to ensure we consume it in one shot. Subjecting the food to varied temperatures in and out causes more buildup of bacteria. Number 7. Amount of cooking, over or under. For example, tomatoes to be cooked properly and spinach to be cooked less. Number 8. Pre-processed food with preservatives, emulsifiers, coloring and fragrant agents, trans fat, taste enhancers like MSG, that is monosodium glutamate, excess salt, sugar, oil. All these are slow poisons and are found lethal to humans by any standards. Number 9. Way of eating. Certain ways of eating certain things don't go well with the nature's design of our human body. For example, eating fruits at the end of the meal, eating just before sleep with no adequate time to digest, eating food watching TV, eating fast without adequately chewing the food, etc. Number 10. Way of preserving fresh food. At times, chemicals used on produce for longer shelf life. Adequate cleaning, soaking, and brushing may help as applicable. Number 11. Way of packaging. Carrying hot items in plastic containers, aluminum foils, etc. leach chemicals into food. Number 12. Way of storing. Say for example, tender coconut or any other liquid other than water stored in copper bottle gets negatively reactive. Number 13. Quantity of eating. Though anything in excess is a no-no, particular cases like fruits, nuts, sprouts, dairy products do more damage to our body than good if consumed in excess. Number 14. Way of extracting oil or juice. Cold-pressed oils are more preferable to hot-pressed ones. For that matter, even hot-pressed fruit juices lose most of its nutrient value. Fruits are best eaten raw, though the fructose in fruits have its own theories. Number 15. Refined food. Refined SOS, that is sugar, oil, salt, and other refined food like maida, malted drinks are a complete no-no. As much as possible, refined food are nothing but leftovers from good ones that are marketed brilliantly. Number 16. Externally added sweeteners. Some of the breakfast cereals, candies, and even traditional ones made out of peanuts and sesame, etc., have high fructose corn syrup, glucose syrup, which are extremely unhealthy. Number 17. Presentation additives. For example, more shining, smoother, brighter results for vermicelli, dals, apples. They get coated with chemical wax. 18. The last but not the least. Including or excluding wrong parts of produce. For example, apple seeds are not edible. They contain cyanide. This is one reason we need to avoid apple juice from a factory. They normally crush the fruit as a whole, which extracts a small portion of cyanide too. We should always remove the core of an apple when we eat. It's best to avoid tomato seeds as well. Potatoes have to be consumed with the skin to get its nutrients, and ginger skin to be removed. Aren't we living in a fast-paced world that has completely damaged our food system? Won't a basic awareness on day-to-day affairs help us thrive better in this uncertain and incredible world? Hope this learning was interesting and useful. If possible, please pass this on to all those who are keen in taking care of their health. If you have any other facts on this topic, please feel free to post them in comments column.